There are two things that Floridians can learn from the New York experience, and the Maryland experience for that matter, both states of which have now effectively banned the development of a large quantity of shale gas. The first thing to learn is the power of the individual. It wasn't the governors, it wasn't the legislatures that imposed 5 or 6 years ago bans. We had to go through 5 or 6 years of grassroots, bottom-up organization, education, communication, so that we were telling our legislators and our regulators what the people in the state of New York and the people in the state of Maryland wanted. And that was done with concerted effort on the part of hundreds of thousands of people. So the power of the individual, the power of the locale, the city, the county, to influence state regulations is a very powerful message to learn from New York and Maryland. The other thing that we've learned in New York is that New York, Maryland, Florida, Texas, you name it, we didn't really know much about the potential negative impacts of oil and gas development when they became more manifest near our cities and near our towns over the last 10 years. What we now know is that the peer-reviewed science was minimal 10 years ago. There were a handful of papers addressing the potential impacts to water quality, water quantity, environmental degradation, noise pollution, air pollution. There was very little science that had been done concerning those aspects of oil and gas development. That science is now being done rapidly. We have well over 1,200 peer-reviewed publications now available in the scientific literature that directly address these impacts. So it would be a very wise thing for the people of Florida, and especially for the legislators and regulators in Florida, to begin to access and understand that scientific literature.